Yep.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, spit out a candle. Make a wish.
Ooh,
Yay!
I don't know
What's that like? Are you gonna try it?
Go ahead and let go of his hand. Eat it.
Go ahead,
get it in.
That's chocolate.
Mmm.
I don't know what to make of it.
Oh, I don't know if I like it or not.
Now that's
like,
a new flavor.
That's really sweet.
Yay! And he'll be bouncing off the wall shortly.
I'm going to try another one.
There we go.
That was pretty good.
Sticky.